guys. Welcome. Monday, man. Welcome.
Yeah, I like that as well.
Yeah, COM now, so we can really set. Let's go ahead and set at 5 off the highs. Probably won't get that pullback, but shit. All right, bet. At least we got a set. All right, what is 50-40 short? Damn, boy, that's shit. Tight.
That's a 100 fucking points away. Damn, kind of this is.
Yeah. Jeez.
I'm gonna see what OR do. Don't get too.
Damn, bro.
It's cheese.
Yeah. How low is shit right now already? Yeah, shit already about to be down 4%.
Yeah, we just gotta move with caution today.
Yeah, I'm cool, man.
Just move with caution, bro.
Yeah, because, bro, like, one thing about it, it's like, for real, it's going to come a point where these markets going to slow the fuck down.
Yeah, it's going to slow down. Even, like, that's the trick to, like, getting it early. It's like, oh, they're just sitting here, it's like, bro, you can tell, like, nigga, the range is fucking
crazy
already. It's like, between the London low and London high, it's like 200 points, bro. It's like, yeah, don't get too high, don't get too excited. It's like, chill. Let's see how we got to play it, how we like to play it, and take no risk.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Bro, nigga, the code was talking last night. It's like, man, my bros with speeds. Like, bro, that game don't really pay.
Yeah, bro, niggas ain't playing that shit for. Niggas are not playing that game for real. Yeah, that's a fucking joke, nigga. Yeah, bro. He's not doing that, gang. It's like, for real, bro. Niggas are not, because niggas are not gonna, it's no point to just trade these markets for the hell of it. You know what I'm saying? It's like, this shit is taking too much mental space to just put on. Nah, but even eval, it is not worth putting on less than your max risk. You know what I'm saying? Whatever your max risk is, there's no point in getting into like just a small situation just to put on a trade. Yeah, bro. Other than that, save your fucking mental capital because this shit ain't free. Yeah,
it's probably gonna be a break to the downside.
Yeah, going into 4% though.
They're almost at 4%.
Yeah, sure.
That shit, 4%. 4%.
Nah, as far as XFA, I can't touch it. 4% XFA, I can't touch it. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna fucking act like I can. If I get into that trade and it wafts down 1%, bro, I'm gonna be looking at the money and forget the fucking percentage, and I'm gonna just lose the account. Like, you're gonna look up and be auto liquidated, and then be waiting to 6 to see if you lost your fucking account.
You can, it's not gonna be like that shit's not gonna be exact. You're gonna trade at 4% and then it fucking starts to drop like 4.8, 4.9, you probably gonna get liquidated.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna try to be ahead of themselves.
Yeah. And then they're gonna look at your trading style, especially in the XFA. It's like they can scrutinize your trading style and they're like, nah, that's crazy. like, nah, we good on you, brother. Yeah. I mean, not quite, but it's kind of lower than it's been. 3.6. Compare him to us. Might be, bro. They let for real, but they let him back in, bro. They open the door to that man.
That's just because of people, like the people, bro. The people are so.
Niggas are cheese, bro. Niggas are sheep. Like, bro.
It's like people are so.
Like, yeah, bro. Cause like niggas don't even have to complain. It's like, bro, you're fucking American. It's like, go do something. You know what I'm saying? It's like you ain't even gotta complain. You can look at these markets and be crying, or you can do something to make some money off this shit. You can look at what the fuck he's doing, and then, I don't know. Yeah, bro. When nigga tell you not to look at your portfolio and you do it, that's crazy. That's wild. Nigga tell you don't even look at your shit. You're like, okay. Come on, brother. Fuck.
Like, 401ks just got like down, bro.
Should have just came in and just shorted this
Like
shit.
people that's close to retirement, they really be watching this shit. This is really shit. Watching that shit. So they do this shit. Like a crash like this before they get retired. Like,
Yeah, bro.
They work into it.
Yeah, nigga, the fucking the Vanguard, which most 401ks invest in the Vanguard, they sending out messages telling niggas stay calm and shit. Don't liquidate your position and shit.
Giants, I didn't even take her to his right. But luckily, you take the money out of it, throughout.
Yeah.
That shit
just sitting right, let these niggas play with your bread. That's crazy.
Yeah, because they playing.
Whatever they want to do.
Whatever they want to do. You're not even asking.
Of
course, you got the people say like a fucking.
Yeah, but they only giving you the options that they want you to have.
The basket, yeah.
Yeah, it's like you can't go in there and be like, make your own basket type shit.
You don't even know what they're doing. It's like, bro,
Yeah.
I talked to a nigga that I used to work with. Bro, he was permanent at J&J. He had his 401k invested in international fund. Like, what you get changed that right
Like,
now?
nigga, that's crazy. Like, why they do that to you?
Bro, you look at it. This nigga's like, what are you investing in, bro? International, like, you tripping.
You violent game.
For real, but they're not giving guidance for making a 401k successful.
Nah, bro, they not. Bro, they ain't even teaching niggas shit.
Yeah, they'd rather you not know what you
Yeah, they rather you not know, bro. Bro, I just heard the real story of Christopher Columbus. I'm like, dog, why would they even teach us that other shit? That's crazy. They said that nigga thought he was in India, and he pulled up to the Caribbean islands, and he died thinking he was in India. What the fuck? That's why he called them Indians. Man, come on. Come on, man.
Bro,
that's why America's fucked. It's like, because 30-year-olds, I'm a 30-year-old, and that's what I got taught when I was in school, that Christopher Columbus came over here, and he actually knew where the fuck he was at. But he didn't even know where the fuck he was at. What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, I'm probably going to say like, but I mean, listen, I don't think it's going to get enough to go back up to London High, and it's going to try to hit that last week low.
Yeah, I'm just chilling on. It's 9:40. I just chilling, watch the 12:30 game. Ain't really got nothing. I'm really gonna set at my 8+ trade is setting at Friday low, bro. And I'm probably just gonna have to stand on business right there, bro. Cause literally this 40 high, if it gets up there, it's going to fill the rest of that gap. Yeah, and you're gonna be looking dead like a damn fool if that bitch go through this 50% line and you start shorting that shit. Best trade is fucking the short goal right now. It's breaking 30,030. I mean 3,030. Send it that. That's the only trade, and that might be a combine. Give me an OR on that situation. You got your OR for it? Oh yeah, like 7:30. Fuck. Let me ask Chat GPT, what's the opening bell for gold? I bet you this dumbass shit. Shit giving me American knowledge. Up. The opening. We see what answer this shit give me.
I should probably don't know.
Yeah, shit 9:30. This shit's at 9:30. Like chat, like AI is so fucking stupid to me. I can tell I'm looking at it. Mm-hmm. You didn't even like that, huh? Yeah, but you just gotta play it all the way strat. Like high to 4 hour, high to 4 hour, so and so wants to break that high, then it's long. Yeah, just put it.
All the equities are dangerous now, so
the equities is dead. Ain't shit. I can set at for I'm a mentally set at last week low, so if it get up there, then I'll fucking ghost ride the whip. But as far as yeah, I'll wait and watch see if it's gonna get a pump back, and then watch it fade. But I'm literally playing it real smart. I'll wait for it to pump up and like watch the 15 for it to fade down, see where it's at, and then take that short. Yeah, so we can just sit back and watch. Yeah, because that's a combination of both. You know your level, and then you're seeing what it's doing at the level, and then you taking action. That's when you really just ice it. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, OR is what 180. It's 80 points. What is it? 58. That's fucking nice.
And it's probably gonna stay in. I marked this weekly level 48.90.
Yeah, nigga should have just shorted when that was up there. But it's no structure. It make a high of 40. I need my stop over 70. It's like, damn, bro, 30 points every way you go right now. Some monthly tip for you guys. Check out the weekly chart on the yes. Mm-hmm. Good lo-fi going. Good Monday, man. Yeah, I'm probably not putting on live trades until the markets stop opening at 5% down.
Yeah, that's just a good.
It's like, damn. Yeah, because it's yeah, it's nowhere I can. Yeah, you're gonna be liquidity. Doji. Yeah, because we're just like they said after that gap down, we might just chop at the bottom of this range. Watch gold though. You got an OR on gold? Oh damn, we ain't got no opening. That's pretty ignorant there. We should know that. Yeah. That OR on gold gotta be like 730, 830.
Yeah,
If it was 830, then
it's under.
it just broke the range. Yeah, yeah, it's 830 for sure. I might can go short on gold actually. I might be able to go. I might be able to go shit.
Yeah, this comedy.
Yeah, just combi. I'm not taking this shit live, bro. I don't know enough about it. I want to take it live, but I'll just be chasing money.
Yeah, this gonna be just the time to go short with this black yellow bro. So hard. And it already
Is it under 30? What's the current price? Can you give me current price right now? Gold, gold, gold. 30.24. All right, I'll short 30s right now. 5 and 10. Combine only.
5 and 10. 5 and 10.
Five contracts, 10 points. Combine only.
Yeah, that's gonna be it. You have to get nothing. So,
All right, I'm gonna sell it in mine. All right, 500 risk at
Order filled.
4. TP's gonna be at 3,000. Yeah, leave that there. 10 points away, break it even. Yeah, that's me right there. That's combine. Gold short. 15-minute OR. Break a 30 to 3,000. Yeah, I take it. For real, because I can't trade equities at this price for real. And for me to get wet on gold, I'm gonna just have to get wet. Or I know the levels, so under 30, it should go down to 3,000. If it's flexing around, then that's another thing. If it's just teetering around, that's a whole nother job there.
Yeah, so another.
Yeah, as far as the equities, we just can't take them there. Equities is too low. Yeah, Friday low short on gold, 30-30.
Yeah, just be that there. I'm not gonna watch that. I can do what I do.
Yeah, I can do this thing.
Um, ES is playing with 15-minute OR to the upside.
All right. Friday low on gold is 32.50. Stops over that. That's what we plan.
All right, I stopped over that.
All right, that's it. Cross back over 30. Excuse me, cross back over Friday low, and we're out of there. The equities breaking OR to the upside. All right, cool. Watch equities for live setups at last week's low, 74. Equities going up. Gold should be going down. All right, that's me for the day, combi. OR breaking to the upside on the equities. Wow. That's steady working. ES 4-hour candle gonna close a close green. This move. Mhm. All right, same here. Nothing to do here until it's up till fucking Friday low, boys. Then it's me combine for the day. Friday low short on gold. Yeah, and that's it, man.
Yeah, that's it for the combine.
Yeah.
Overtrade them, 500, shoot it.
I like it. At least we got another option on.
Yeah, we gotta, bro. It's not even about what we want to do. We gotta start working the other options.
Yeah, we got to, because I mean, bro,
we gotta just learn gold and whatever comes with it.
Yeah, whatever come with it. Yeah, because I mean, this is my fucking livelihood here. These shit's opening up at 5% down. Like, damn, bro.
Yeah.
I gotta have somewhere I can go and at least trade the motherfucker.
Yeah. So you figure out a way that they can just totally fuck prop trading is have this market open at 4% down every day.
Yeah, like nobody can touch it.
So,
you know what I mean? Yeah, because that's what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah. We got to get this started over here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And this is how you would do it for real. Because even like doing the batch in practice, it ain't really fucking ain't really effective. You know what I'm saying? It's like I'd rather do it.
Not effective. You want to feel it.
Yeah, I'd rather do it here so I can feel it.
Yeah. You know what I mean? If it don't work and you hate it, you want to practice.
Yeah, you won't really know in practice. You know what I mean?
Really know.
Yeah, because this shit really train with the equities. This shit.
Yeah, as of like right now, bro, but we'll see. Yeah, it is trading with the equities, huh?
Yeah, it's trading right with these motherfuckers.
Yeah, that's fine with me. It's got plenty more space than.
Yeah, I got plenty more space than the equities. But that's what Kevin was saying. Shit, if we get to a fucking recessionary environment, shit, gold ain't gonna hold nothing. For real, gold gonna get hit just like us, man.
Yeah.
Gold gonna be trading just like us.
Yeah, I like that though. Just practice. That's like working on stuff. Working on a lot of different things.
Yeah. And that's a clear trade, bro. Friday low short. For real. This type of shit that you got to see if that's going to hold on gold. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
A little bit of room over Friday low.
Friday's low.
Boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? All right, about to get a 15-minute OR break to the upside. 4-hour candle is going to be a continuation to the upside.
Yeah, I'm just about to take this out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was cheese, bro. Ugh.
Yeah, that was ass. Where's your stop? You got stop?
No.
I'm at 34.01. About to get stopped.
That shit.
Girl, that shit literally pumped with the equities.
Yeah, that shit was ass.
Yeah, that was cheese.
That was ass. Watch for the day here. Black there.
They hit you?
Yeah, I got 500 stop for real.
Yeah, it's finna give me too. I got 500 too. It's finna hit me.
Yeah.
Like $30, $20.
Order filled.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying about good. Like her, I just don't like. That's crazy.
Yeah, that was cheese.
Like, that was just bullshit.
Mm-hmm.
It was just gonna fucking wire up. Like, that was cool.
Look at that doji 4 hour on that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I can't really do shit.
Like, bro,
that was cheap.
I hate that. That was the worst. Like, literally, I hate replaying. I literally hate that.
You guys went light though, right?
Yeah, just combine. Yeah, just combine.
We just did combine.
Light combi.
Light combi, none special. But yeah, I just don't love that, bro, because that's like.
This is fucking.
Like, no signal, that was just a flip fucking signal.
Mm-hmm.
So, not great.
Yeah, that's just trading terrible there.
Yeah.
It's just trading.
I was iffy on my trade only because there's no news, but like in the power of 3, it rarely like manipulates twice, and I saw like manipulation in London from the downside already.
Yeah.
Even though New York came up and took London, let me see, YN took London high, and the other day didn't. I already saw that it did it over here, and I know that power of 3 rarely manipulates twice, and I got a really good signal.
That's cool.
We'll see if we finish out this trade.
Yeah.
All right, OR broke to the upside. 4 hour candle just closed. Continuation to the upside.
That's just 50 points away. OR.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not fucking with this shit.
4 hour 48.67 low, 50.40 high. What up, Chris Dope?
What's good?
What's up, my boy?
It's tired.
I know you tired over there, big dog. Got the newborn over there. I fucking passed out. We was texting the other day. I woke up. I'm like, damn, bro, what's heavy?
Yeah, you good? I passed out, right?
I was like, shit.
Yeah. Man, we got me up. Oh man, we having to drink coffee like. It's a different read now.
Yeah. Doing the Lord's work, man. Shit.
Yeah, it's good though.
That's good, man.
You make me smile every day.
That's what I like to hear, man. That's why I like.
How we living? What's looking like?
Yeah,
I'm in a bar right now. I got in at 49.50.
Damn. Damn, sniper move, buddy. You did great, man.
Yeah.
Hold that shit down, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put a trail stop on too. So.
And you did good. That's great work, man. Yeah, we just chilling. I took a.
That's for the trade and practice though. I already done took too many losses. I'm ineligible again until I re-up.
Until you re-up, yeah. Yeah, just keep practicing, keep swinging, bro. That's the best thing you can do.
I'm just, even when I'm good, I'm gonna just stay on practice at least another week.
Nah, I feel you.
This shit,
yeah, you take that practice serious, and then that's really how you get good again. Ain't gonna lie. Yeah, man, this shit here. Yeah, we took a little short on gold. Got stopped out combi. I'm about to lock my combi for the day.
My combi's locked.
Combi locked. I ain't finna play with that.
Play with it.
I'm looking at live now just to see what possibly, but.
Yeah. They just took out my trail and stuff. I made 280 with one lot.
Oh yeah, that's real good.
Yeah.
Damn, the NASDAQ bounced. Seriously, this shit only down 1.7.
Any news did that?
Probably just being down 5%. Shit.
Not hit for dollar for dollar retaliation, but we are considering all instruments on the table from the EU.
Mm-hmm.
We're sticking to our commitment not to increase income tax, VAT, and national insurance. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh yeah, we already discussed 0 for 0 tariffs, not only for cars but also.
Yeah, that's it right there.
That's it right there.
That was yeah, that's when it started going.
Yep, that's what popped us. Okay.
Right.
Oh man.
Hey, good motherfucker.
Yeah, that was some cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Mm-hmm.
They got two gaps to fill.
To the upside.
Yeah, to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this 4 hour look like it's about to go. For real, retested that 20% bear market level, boss, at 49.96.
Mm-hmm. About to get gone.
Like that 5K.
Man, it
How y'all weekend was?
It's great, man. Nice and relaxing.
Got a haircut.
Yeah. Great weekend, bro.
What's up?
Yeah. Damn, what do I want to do here? Guess fucking nothing, man. Jeez, bro.
Yeah, it's too.
About to roll a blunt.
Yeah, just roll up, bro. It's too expanded.
Yeah. We're gonna have to lean. We're gonna have to lean against. For real. What we gonna do? We gonna watch Friday Low. I want to see how it's gonna react there. If it pop Friday Low, then we might get into the longs. Maybe, bro.
I mean, bro. It just did supply and demand all in one 15-minute, the hour candle. Go look at the hour. So I'm saying. It hit the whole going back to supply all in one. That's all I'm saying.
Oh yeah, hour telling it though. Look at that shit. Nice consolidation range. Mm-hmm.
The wick is fucking from 5,006, and the low of it is 48.66, bro.
Yeah, so if it get back over, 70, then you can kind of play it. This shit is huge though. Pause. Fucking range is huge.
Yeah. The Nasdaq just went real close to that last week low. Last week on the Nasdaq 17,384.
Went close to it.
Yeah, damn near touched it. It went to.
Oh yeah, it's right there. It's already on it.
Right there.
Yeah, it's right up on it. Yeah, Max had the right idea. These longs is on.
Yeah, because what Max said is true. You barely see him manipulate twice, for real.
Mm-hmm. All right, first shot. Gold popped me out. Fuck gold. I had to take a break.
Right now.
I'm still learning on gold. That was bassy, so you feel me?
Yeah, that was good. Good, and at least we figured out the opening range for gold.
Yeah, and Friday low was nice.
You see why it popped out.
Yeah, I see why it popped out with that news at 10. We started shorting right at 10.
News
So
made the whole market jump 3%.
mm-hmm.
It's like, this shit is crazy. That's
This shit crazy, yeah.
One shot, lock your account. I'm telling you, because this shit, like even we got to do our strategy. The 10 for 10, the risk, everything. So it's like, but you got 15-minute candles are swinging 100 points. 10 points ain't shit right now.
Yeah, 10 points ain't that right now.
So you're going to put on 10 live? Like, with these markets moving like this, I wouldn't even advise it. I'm not going to lie. I wouldn't tell somebody else to do it.
For sure. Yeah, we got right up against this London high.
Yeah, it's just looking for it's just finding the liquidity for real. Like literally, it'll bounce.
It's only 10:08 right now. Yeah, let me roll up, man. This shit's crazy.
I'm smoking.
My boy said I'm smoking right now.
For real, nigga. Both of my combines locked over here.
Both of them?
Both Hands on ass, bro.
Hands on ass. I ain't losing more than a 1 hour a day and
Bro,
nothing.
Any
day.
And if they count 1 hour, lock me the fuck out.
Out of there.
Bro, I'm out of there. For real, the gold was a good idea. You know what I'm saying? I ain't mad at it.
That was Friday low short. Boom, that was nice, man. TP was 500 for fucking like 1.3 at the 3,000 level. That was golden. For real, but
I take that every time.
I take that every time.
And Europe coming out and saying they willing to chat.
Yeah, I can't account for that shit. You know what I'm saying? That's why you just got to put your risk on, because I mean that news will come out and it'll help your trade work sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So it's like just as much as it stopped you out, it'll accelerate your trade in the right direction. So it's like,
for real.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's
going
yeah, it's probability, bro. Put your risk on. You got a 70% chance of winning that trade. Oh, it's 30% side that I lost it type shit. You know?
Yeah, for real. It's like, hey, bro, I gotta be willing to take those every time.
Yeah, every time.
The only uncontrollable variable out of the trade I just took was the fact that it was going to go up or down, and that's literally going to be the uncontrolled variable.
And every time, yeah.
Through every session.
Yeah, that's it. For real, because the main thing that I can control is my risk, what I'm putting on. Yeah, that shit is completely outside of me. You know?
It's completely outside. You know what I mean? For real. That should give you peace to just, okay, you just take another, once the shot comes, that looks good again, you just take another shot, because at least you're building your eyes, and you're building that inner trust in yourself to just take what you see.
Yeah, with the right risk. That's the main thing.
To tell you
when is when, bro. It's like, for real, you got to be man enough to know how much risk to put on and know when it's time to stop. Know what your risk tolerance is. Know to take one shot. It's like, bro, for real, we are fucking pros. Like, bro, I'm taking 3-4 trades a week. Like, for real. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if I'm putting it on, it's 510, and that shit finna break 40s. Woo.
Yeah, watch that 76.
Watch that 76, boys.
Real, but that Nasdaq already did it.
Nasdaq took it, huh? It's already Nasdaq going.
It's already over. It's already like 60 points over. Dang, well.
That bitch blowing. Look, it's at 70 already. Whoa, bro, look at that shit. Marcus just went green. Nasdaq green, gold green. Wow, that news really popped us out and took off.
One lap over 76.
Despite UE efforts, we have not seen engagement which would lead to mutually acceptable solutions. We are not in a tit for tat, dollar for dollar retaliation. Yeah. All right.
It did that.
I would have got me a band with one lot.
Yeah, boy, you went. That was a good trade, Chris. Good work, boy. You too, Max. You called that shit. Is this shit at 140?
No, already.
Nigga, what the fuck?
The chart is pausing. Bro, if you would have just bought one at 76, you would have been gone right now.
Gone.
Even at 76, yo, that's crazy.
Hey, right for a red 15-minute candle.
Yeah, you looking at a breaking retest of last week's low now? Oh yeah.
Yeah, shit. Bro, that was crazy, bro.
Like it.
Dang, Pops, you calling me in the middle of the trading day. My Pops calling right now. What's up, Daddy?
What's up, dude?
Not much, man. Working these markets.
How's it looking?
Shit, we just got a crazy bounce out of nowhere. Trying to find a way to get in, but it's moving crazy.
Oh, yeah, I know a crazy man said something crazy this morning. So.
Yeah, Europe is responding now. They talking about looking at 0 for 0 tariffs in Europe, so that just made the market bounce.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they starting to negotiate a little bit.
He ain't got no choice.
He ain't got no choice. Yeah, he ain't got no choice, for real. We all gonna have to come to a good common ground. The market literally just rallied like 100 points off of that. It's crazy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So y'all in a place to be out to trade?
Yeah, we in a place where we can trade. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Alright.
hi.
Yeah, man. Follow y'all. Y'all have a good day, man.
Okay, Dad. Love you, man. How's it going out there?
Oh man, I miss y'all guys more than you could believe it, man. You know I ain't been in no park like this.
Yes, it's yeah.
Yeah, so I'm making the best of it.
Yeah, enjoy yourself, Dad. For real, we there with you,
Yeah.
man. You know what I'm saying? I saying,
Okay,
Mom, there with you.
they just going to ride. They just ride. You know, I don't do no roller coaster.
Yeah.
It's nice though.
It's nice.
And they let us take pictures today. They say they wasn't, but we can take pictures today.
Oh, good. Yeah, I thought so. We seen some people were there yesterday and they were posting some stuff. It said security was letting them take pictures.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet though.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good, Daddy. Yeah.
All right, love y'all, man.
All right, love you so much, Dad. Enjoy yourself, man. Okay.
All right, have a great day.
All right, I'll tap in with you soon.
Okay.
All right, Papa. Nice call from the pops, man. Yo,
You trust yourself, man.
I'm back, gang.
We can get man, even something on the table.
Yeah, you always gonna leave something on the table. That's why we here. It's always gonna be money left on the floor, man.
Yeah, I would have had a few more there, but it's Monday with no news, so it's like you gotta just play off the news for your account size.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta watch the news for the account size, man.
Very true, brother.
Nah, very, very, very true.
You got it, what?
Nasdaq just touched that bear market level, 18,138. Damn near to the T and backed off. That's 20% off the ATH. What happened to that 52?
Man, that was crazy. That's why that lets you know though that gold short was good because literally it only popped because that news shit.
Yeah. For real. I did literally put ES only on my charts today. I mean on my run plan today. Starting to follow that.
Yeah, bro. So I ain't gonna feel bad about finding an opportunity.
Let me get off of this shit.
Yeah, we need.
I don't need to trade no more. We can go ahead and get off of it.
Yeah, this shit is.
I'm locked, so I ain't even touched it, but damn.
Yeah, I'm locked combine for real. I'm still looking. It's 10:15. I gotta.
Still mad.
We're in tradable territory, so I gotta sit around and see if I can catch something. At least to 11.
Yeah, that Globex gap plus the last low at a 4 hour for that gap. So we might get a 51.35 retest, maybe. But this shit gone. It's the kind of momentum there. It's like it's gone.
And all three of the equities are doing it too.
Yeah, it's going into a 4 hour gap. I got a 4 hour FBJ located at 52.83. Low, high is 53.77. And then we got a daily gap right at Friday high. The 54.40 area all the way to 55.67. It can literally go all the way up and touch that weekly downtrend line, bro. And that's all the way at 5,700.
Okay. Yeah, this shit is tapping. That shit literally ran up. It's touching them gaps from that it left on Friday when it was running down. It's like for real, just touched that 5,200 area. It should be going up into that 53s.
Yeah, we're touching a 4 hour gap on all the products right now. All the products are touching a 4 hour fair value gap from last week.
Y'all boys in the gym?
Nah, we ain't hit it today.
I ain't hit it today. Yeah, I'll be in it tomorrow.
Yeah, we hit it 3 times last week.
Mm-hmm.
Like on that.
Yeah, I know you've been busy, brother. Nasdaq up 4%. Fucker Jones. I gotta see what Top Step X saying about this.
Yeah, bro, this shit is wild. I mean, it's cool. I mean, shit. Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's just like, damn, that was crazy. Huh?
Protect on.
Oh, shit. Let me go, man. Let's see what the boss talking about. Gotta make
boss. More than 50 countries have reached out to Trump for negotiations.
Damn.
Damn, that nigga might have did it.
I'm saying, bro, that's what I'm saying. Niggas gotta be like, bro, can we get like a little patriotism so we don't look so fucking stupid? That's all I'm saying. Like,
yeah, even Myron Golden is live right now. How to keep the Trump tariff economy from crushing you. He's live right now.
wow.
Niggas never live like that. That's crazy. If you guys gonna watch Myron Golden, I suggest you look him up on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm a huge fan. Oh, you're a huge fan? Talking about absolutely. Let's go. Chat.
So much knowledge. Call out.
I mean, like, bro, I want, because you got the Bible study, and you got the regular. I've written at least like pages and pages of notes. That's what I'm saying, but I'm telling you, bro. I dropped this shit in the chat, so.
All right, guys, gonna take a little break here on the YouTube, man. We will be back if we get the next field. Did take a 1-hour loss in the combine, locked out for the day. Cooling. Live accounts, no live trades yet. Waiting for to see if price is gonna turn around. Maybe a red candle close, and then we short from the top. But yeah, we'll be back.
NASDAQ went about halfway through it.
Take a little break here, boys.
Yeah, these are like these, dude.